Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be doing a little swap. The current taillights that I have on the 240 right now are custom heart taillights that the previous owner had done to them. And honestly, I love the heart taillights because on my FRS, I have heart taillights. So when I saw that the 240 had heart taillights when I wanted it, I was like, this is meant to be. I am destined to have this exact 240. I know you can't really see, but they're kind of the same as mine. Mine are just like LEDs, and these are exactly the same. They're little LEDs, and there's also hearts in the red one. There's a really bad glare right now, so you can't really see, and they're kind of dark, but you could kind of see it in there. You see it? But even though I love the heart tail lights and the fact that it matches my FRS, I told myself since I bought it that I wouldn't keep them just because like it was someone else's idea to put on their car and it's already on the car. Well, sadly, I am taking them off. I am putting back the stocks. We're going back to OEM for now. Don't know if I'm gonna try and do something with these, maybe rebuild them. I don't want to get rid of them, but also I don't want to keep the hearts as much as I want to keep them. I can't. Like, I already told myself I can't, so I'm not going to. But I really do want like the 180 tail lights, the kooky tail lights. Obviously it's not at the top of my list right now, so I am putting back the stocks today. And yeah, this is the last time they're gonna be twinning, semi-twinning. Maybe I'll eventually do some custom tail lights for this. I don't know, maybe I'll do another design of hearts that aren't exactly like this, but just something different that I can say like, okay, like this was my idea. I'm just gonna be swapping that out really quick. I'm also gonna be seeing what lights do work because those don't have bulbs, I believe, on all of them. I don't know, there's some bulbs, but I don't think they work. I'm gonna be testing what works, what doesn't work. I'd probably go to AutoZone afterwards and then just pick up what I need. And I also need to get something for the FRS. I need to get this like rubbing compound thing. Try and buff it out because it looks so bad. And from here around, I lost the entire lip on the freeway when I did hit it. Also, that part is not fixable. My grill did end up popping off that same day, but I ended up popping it back yesterday because I took off the lip as well. And then when I was driving yesterday, the whole grill came off. I think the clips are officially broken. They were kind of bad, but they were still holding on. But yesterday, it just randomly like went under my car and I was dragging it for so long. It was under my passenger side by my side skirt. So I had to pull over. I had to get off the freeway, and thankfully I had my scissor jack because it was not coming off. Obviously it doesn't fit on the side and it was so far deep. My grill got destroyed yesterday, and that's not even the same day that this happened. So like, it's just a continuous, not fun journey, but it's okay because stuff happens. Okay. Ow. This is how all like the wiring stuff looks like. There's just a lot of unconnected stuff. How these connect. The heart taillights are not even connected to anything, which is why they don't even work. I don't even know if they have bulbs inside or not. Yeah, none of them even have bulbs, and they're just like this. Oh, are you kidding me? This doesn't even fit. It still doesn't fit. How long enough? It did work. Those liners are just held on by some clips, so these. Oh, this one had a bulb. Actually, I think this middle light, the only thing that worked were the reverse lights, so I think it's the only one that actually has a bulb in it. Really good condition still. The only thing I needed was bulbs, and I think just to be wired correctly. There we go. Ew. I think this gasket melted on there. So some of the nuts I took off is actually for this, and it wasn't for the taillights. So I have to put that back in. So I am gonna be adding back some of those 8mm to this little bar. I'm not sure why there's a bunch of like white hair. I don't know if it was from my dog or if it was already on there. Out with the new, in with the old. It's a little dirtier. Sticky stuff, which I could always just remove once they're on there. Okay, now we're going to be connecting all the pieces, and I don't think these bulbs work, so I'm gonna still put them on and try it out and see which ones do work and which ones don't. This is all intact. Got the left one, right. I wonder if this is for the middle as well, and they just reused it. Like that. So I'm gonna leave it on so that I could test them. Or goes like this. There. I'm just gonna connect. I'm gonna try these out one at a time so that I could watch back the recording and see if they turn on or the brake lights turn on at least. So I'm gonna try out the left side first. Okay, I got the keys. Focus. Let's see. Because I want to press the brake light too and see if it works. I'll put this thing in reverse. I don't know if I see light or not. Okay, so I just watched back all the footage and everything works. I'm so happy because I really didn't want to go buy new bulbs, but I was going to anyways. But I'm really happy that they all work. So I literally am done with this, and yeah, I'm still gonna go to AutoZone and trying to remove the damage on this car. Everything does work. Like, all of the harnesses on the car are perfectly fine and all the wires are good. I'm not sure these taillights work. I just never put bulbs in them to try it out because either way I didn't want to keep them. So we finally finished. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how they look, and then I also want to see how they look with the taillights. Obviously, I know the bulbs work. I haven't seen them on my car with this. So here we are, back to OEM taillights. It feels like a new mod to me because I didn't originally buy the car with them on, even though I know they're stock. Now I'm just gonna test out the lights. I'll probably show you guys too, just see how they look together. Basically all I was gonna do to the 240 today. That was actually pretty quick since all the bulbs ended up working, which I didn't think they did. Like I said, I literally feel like I got a new mod for the car and I'm like so excited. I'm like, oh my god, yes, something new. But it's not really new. Should I keep it OEM forever, or should I do some custom, or should I keep the hardtail lights, or should I do my own custom hardtail lights? I don't know if I want to do heart taillights though. Okay, so I got what I needed. This is the Turtle Wax Rubbing Compound Heavy Duty Cleaner. Hopefully this works, because if it does, then this is all you need and it's only $6. I'm just gonna wipe it down with some water. Attempt to just try this spot again. So it is the next day and I indeed could not do it by hand. I gave up pretty quick. It just isn't enough force. And they started fading, but it just is not enough by hand. So my friend Lonzo let me borrow his little buffer. I'm gonna add a little bit of water into this, just so I could. Okay. Let's see. Excuse me, dog. Okay, this is the progress. Honestly, not too bad. I was getting really frustrated at first because it just didn't seem like it was coming off, but I compared it to the picture that I took before I started, and honestly, it is making a difference. You're just sitting. Okay, I went at this for a very long time. I did the best I could. I cannot get the rest off. I even cleaned up my license plate a little bit, and I don't know if you guys remember, I had rubber marks on the hood as well. Not even from this time, from another time. It takes a lot of freaking work. I spent maybe like, if I'm thinking like straight, maybe like 2 hours. I don't know. I went at it for a while. My thumbs are numb. I destroyed the pad. It's all ripped up, and yeah. And it got messy. I think if I kept going, I would get it off, but honestly, I give up. I'm over it, so I'm stopping here. And I don't really mind this, honestly, so it's the best we're gonna get. I'm gonna be ending the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.